My name is Sangha Sara. I read in class 5. My school name is Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Ziro. Today I am very happy to be a part of Arunachal Children Literature Festival 2021. Today I am here to narrate a story. The title of my story is The Story of a Pen and a Pencil. Once there was a pen and a pencil. They had no work, so they were talking to each other. The pen said, "Don't you feel sad that you get shorter when someone uses you?" The pencil replied, "I feel sad at first, but after that, I feel proud that I help people making beautiful drawings." The moral of my story is, we should never insult someone without knowing the real reason. Thank you. I hope you like watching this video.